TensorFlow is Google's machine learning library, and it's completely free. It powers image recognition, language models, and predictions all over the world. In this guide, you'll install it with one command and run your first machine learning code. Let's get started.
TensorFlow is an open-source library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. You build neural networks with Python, just like the one on your screen. It helps computers recognize images, understand text, listen to voice, and make predictions. It's Google's production standard for AI.
Why choose TensorFlow? It's free and open source. It's the most widely used machine learning framework in production. It works with the Python you already learned. And Keras, its high-level neural network API, is built right in. One install, and you have it all.
Before you install, check your system. TensorFlow supports Python versions 3.10 through 3.13. You also need pip, a bit of free disk space, and an internet connection. Windows 10 or 11 works, and so does any Apple Silicon Mac. Important.
Python 3.14 is not supported yet, but we'll fix that in a moment.
Go to tensorflow.org in your browser. Click Install and open the pip guide. There's no installer wizard. Everything happens in the terminal. The page shows two commands. First, upgrade pip. Then, install TensorFlow. The package comes from PyPy, and it's about 350 megabytes.
Open your terminal and check your Python version. Type Python --version. You should see Python 3.13. Any version from 3.10 to 3.13 works perfectly. Next, check pip with Python -m pip ---- version. On a Mac, use Python 3 instead.
If you see Python 3.14, pip will reject TensorFlow. The error says no matching distribution found. Here's the fix. Install Python 3.13 from python.org. On Windows, use the PyLauncher. Type py-3.13-m pip, install TensorFlow.
On a Mac, use Python 3.13-m pip. That's it.
Now the main event. First, upgrade pip with pip install --upgrade pip. Then, install TensorFlow with pip install TensorFlow. Pip collects the package and downloads a 350 megabyte wheel. Watch the progress bar.
When it says successfully installed TensorFlow 2.21.0, you're done. Grab a coffee while it downloads.
Let's verify the install. Run Python-C, import TensorFlow as TF, and print tf.version. It should print 2.21.0. Then run the official test command. It creates a 1000 by 1000 tensor and sums it up. If you see a tensor, TensorFlow works. Time for your first machine learning code. Create a tensor with tf.constant 1, 2, 3. Create another with 4, 5, 6. Now add them together. TensorFlow returns 5, 7, 9. That's it. Tensors are just arrays of numbers, and TensorFlow makes the math fast.
If something breaks, here's the fix. On Windows, a DLL load error means the Visual C++ redistributable is missing. Install vc_redist from Microsoft, restart, and reinstall. On an Intel Mac, pin the last supported version. Install TensorFlow the equals 2.16.2.
That's all it takes. Check your Python version, install with one pip command, and verify with tf.version. Then run your first Tensor edition. TensorFlow is ready. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy machine learning.